International Group of Institutions is the premier educational institution in the country. Not because they have presence in over 16 states nationwide, not because they impart knowledge to over 200,000 students each academic session, not even because there are over 25,000 students graduating every year in search of higher education, but because they well and truly practice what they preach. The Rhine International Group of Institutions takes its motto of all-round development seriously.
Teachers from other nations have come to our schools and they have trained our children in their art, in their drama and singing and music. I am really happy to know that teachers from Ukraine or Russia or maybe Finland, maybe Europe, maybe Turkey and other countries, those who have come, and our children are very happily entertained them and they have learned certain things about their culture, about their dance and their skills in culture and drama and music. And I'm sure our children are benefited. Our children also will learn something what is good in them. And our children will become more creative and more successful. I wish them well.
But I'm really thankful to our Managing Director ma'am as well as Chairman sir for providing such a wonderful platform for the children where we have this faculties from abroad coming over here and teaching our children. Definitely our children get a wonderful platform where they are able to interact with these people and learn about the different cultures.
Namaskar, मेरा नाम Eleonora है. I come from Italy.
Namaskar, मेरा नाम Karen है and I'm from Iceland.
Namaskar, मेरा नाम Melissa है. I came from Russia.
I came as a culture trainee and I teach the children dance, to sing and all about the Italian culture.
I'm here to teach the kids in Rhine International and Rhine Global School drama, singing, dancing and anything about Icelandic culture.
I'm a cultural trainee in Chemburg in Rhine International School. I teach children Russian culture, Russian dance, Russian language and general about my country.
Okay, yesterday 4B was with me and we were learning an Icelandic dance.
It was a new thing for us to learn. We learned new steps of Russian dance.
She taught us the culture and the animals and foods of Russia. It was a new thing for us. the dresses and many more things about Russia.
Russian dance style. It was really fun. We thank her a lot. Thank you, Lisa.
She taught about her own language, for example, Hai Siao.
It was a wonderful and a unique experience for me.
The experience with the Icelandic teacher was very nice.
We really thank Managing Director Madam and Chairman Sir for giving us this opportunity. And when she was about to leave, she told us that she's going to miss Ryan, MD Madam, Chairman Sir, and she's going to miss India and all the fun which she had. And even we really miss her.
She was very kind and polite, and we learned different styles of dance, and she also had done skit, and she had given us different types of coins.
Thank you for the present. It was beautiful to stay here. I really enjoyed it. I will miss you.
I would just like to say that it's been an honor to be here teaching your children, and they are very cute, and just thank you for letting me be here.
We also celebrated Icelandic Day in our school. It was a very nice, and I really missed her.
Karen ma'am was an excellent teacher for us. She gave us gifts, presents, and she was very friendly with us.
I think Karen Miss is extremely friendly and kind.
The experience with Karen ma'am was very good. She taught us hand knitting, numbers, words in Icelandic.
Taught us skit, the turnip, and she gave us different coins. She was very kind. It was a very great and awesome kind of experience working with Lisa. I would like to thank Mr. Madam Grace Pinto and Augustine sir.
Everybody, children, teachers who helped me, but of course I will miss you very much, my dear children. I will miss you already, and I hope that one day you will come to Russia and you will see my country, and I will waiting for you. I want to wish you all the best.
I am very happy with the support the school is giving and motivating them for such kind of activities which we never imagined earlier in our days at this level.
The experience has been very good. It was a good show. School always brings out extracurricular activities, and I believe it was Iceland Day today. It was a good experience for us to see kids in action.
The function was too good, excellent. The kids put up a great performance, and thanks to the coordinator, the lady who had come, she had taken real pains, to train these children for the Icelandic dance, and we really thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah, and we would like the management to, come up with some more performances like this so that the kids are exposed to the culture worldwide.
It was fantastically. The children were too good and I really enjoyed. I felt all the children also were quite into in doing the show. It was very encouraging for them also.
For global school, this to have the global experience like working with other nationalities. I think that exposure Ryan is giving properly to the global school students, and they should keep it up.
It's very nice that the school has taken up this kind of an initiative whereby they're kind of bringing in different cultures and exposing the children to it.
We would, commend the school to take up such activities, expose our children to, the various cultures and all. We would thank the school for that and would like the school to continue going forward, continue such endeavors.
It was explaining a new culture, as you all have an intercultural exchange between the teachers from other countries. So basically our children are exposed to the international culture. So that was very nice.
This was really good. Children are trying to learn all different kinds of culture, and that is a really very good thing what Ryan is doing. Thank you.
I have already seen the show, what they have done, the skit. Oh really, it was very nice, it was fantastic. And we were here as a parent to appreciate a child and encourage, but I feel our teachers also need an appreciation because I think without their help it was not possible. And I think this type of programs or skits in which a child gets a chance to perform should be conducted at least twice in a year. So it is something additional to the studies, they are doing something extra. So it was very nice, fantastic, and thanks to teachers and all the best to kids also.
That was beautiful. I'm sure they learned more about the culture, not just about the folk dances and other things. I think as far as the management is concerned, I think it's kudos to them simply because while this is a global school and one gets global curriculum, I think it's truly globalizing by bringing in people from other places as well. Thanks so much.
It was very nice experience that you are looking after the culture of other countries, and it is really very good. And my two granddaughters are studying here. So I'm happy with your management, and Madam Grace Pinto is also taking care very properly of the kids.
I think the experience was absolutely fantastic, and the whole pleasure of coming to school, watching all the children participate in activities which is beyond their normal classroom work, I think that was absolutely thrilling.